My name is Maureen Cryer. I am the owner of PaperKite Photography, and I am a beneficiary of the THRIVE program. I applied to THRIVE because it looked like an amazing opportunity to help me grow my business. I had just moved into a new location in Great Falls, and I needed to get my name out there. Through the THRIVE program, we decided that we should move forward with a whole new website and to help me with social media through Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. For social, one of the things that they had done was a what to wear, so you would see an image, like show a color palette that you pulled from the image, which I think really helps people with what they needed to wear for portraits, family portraits. And I've gotten many compliments on that it helps them decide how to look in their photos. People are finding me more and more on Google, and when I asked them, where did you find me? They said through Google, which I didn't have as much before. So having the consultant work on the SEO, search engine optimization, helped. Holistically, seeing all the different moving pieces, having a studio, having the website, the social media, it looks like I'm a defined business. If I had to describe my THRIVE experience, I would say it was absolutely amazing to be not alone and to have help from other people, both having the business coach and the THRIVE community.